How to make dragon fruit seeds, good and qualified. Dragon fruit is one type of fruit that comes from European countries, namely Mexico, Central America and South America. Plants. The dragon fruit is a type of cactus plant originating from the genera Hylocereus and Siliocereus. This fruit is called the dragon fruit because throughout the skin of the fruit filled with fringed tassels analogous to siskic dragon. Dragon fruit has several types of varieties. As for the varieties of dragon fruit, such as 1. Hylocereus udatus is a dragon fruit whose fruit is red with white flesh. 2. Hylocereus polyrhizus is a dragon fruit whose fruit is pink with red flesh. 3. Hylocereus costarensis is a dragon fruit with a very red fruit color. 4. Siliocereus megalathus dragon fruit with yellow fruit skin and white flesh. The fruit is much loved because it's sweet and distinctive. In addition to eating directly, this fruit is processed into juice, fruit salad or anything else before the consumption. Because of that, now many people are starting to cultivate this dragon fruit. But before you have to understand the way of dragon fruit plant nursery is good and true. The following techniques are fruit breeding more. Selection of dragon fruit seeds. Propagation of dragon fruit can be done by vegetative and generative. How to vegetative dragon fruit done by cuttings or connections, while generative done by planting dragon fruit with seeds. But most of which is used the way cuttings because the dragon fruit will quickly bear fruit faster and has properties such as Jakaya. To use the seeds that come from the cuttings, choose a branch or vine that has been fruitful as much as 4 to 5 times. In addition, you should also know some characteristics of the branches or tendrils of dragon fruit plants that are ready in the cuttings. These characteristics include: A. Make sure the branch is old, is gray-green. B. Having a diameter of at least 10 centimeters or greater is better. Nutmeg plant breeding process. If the branch to be cutted has been obtained, cut the branches along 100 centimeters to 120 centimeters. Cutting branches should not be done at the base but leave about 20 to 25% of the base, so that later can grow buds and fruiting again. Branches that have been cut into it will be used as the main stem. Cut the stem along the 20 centimeters to 25 centimeters with the tip cut flat, the bottom facing the ground cut tapered in order to stimulate root growth later. Cutted cuttings have at least 4 buds that allow branches of plants to form quickly. Leave the cut stem until it is cut until the sap dries. Next, soak the stem with a liquid fungicide to prevent the growth of the fungus on the stem cuttings. If everything is done, plant the stem of dragon fruit in polybag or pot that has been given the planting medium. Similarly, our video on how to make a good and qualified dragon fruit seeds. Hope can benefit. Follow our next video. See you soon and thank you.